This video is for anyone who wants to protect their teeth. Most dental problems we experience, like losing teeth, pain, infections, and even changes in the shape of our face, sometimes leading to the need for braces, can often come from just one main cause: tooth decay.
Welcome to Smiley Mood, where smiles meet fun.
And in the first video of our series on this important topic, we warmly welcome you. And let me introduce myself. I'm Dr. Rabee from Smiley Mood. We're going to walk together through simple, clear steps to understand what tooth decay really is, how to prevent it, and how to keep our teeth strong and healthy. So stay with us, subscribe to the channel, because what's coming next is even more important and more serious, and always keep smiling with Smiley Mood.